How to set up two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you on enabling two-factor authentication on your Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook application or the Facebook Lite application on your device. And then after launch the application, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now after that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Click on See More in Account Center. Scroll down and go to Password and Security. You will see the option of two-factor authentication, that is between the change password and saved login option. Simply tap on it. Select your Facebook account and then type in your password in this field. Now you will come across this specific interface where you have to check your email address that is associated with your Facebook account and then enter the code in this field. After you enter the code, you will successfully set the two-factor authentication for your Facebook account and secure your account. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can enable the two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.